Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your backed up files from your Dropbox application in your desktop. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the application for Dropbox for our desktop, and right now we just want to delete the backups. At the top right of this application, you will see your profile picture right next to the bell icon. Simply click on it, and from here, let us directly go to Preferences. Well, once you're in this section, on the left hand side, you can see multiple options like General, Accounts, and finally the thing we're looking for, Backup. I'm gonna click on it right now, and as you can see, there are multiple options available like Windows, Ask to Backup external drives, and everything. Let us simply click on this Manage Backup button, and from here, as you can see, these are the backups. And let's just say I want to delete the backup for this external drive named as Greg. I just clicked on it, and I was shifted to this page. Well, from here, do note that you can view your backed up files from right here, or you can simply back up right now. Do note that I have already enabled automatic backups because I don't want to keep on manually backing up. At the very bottom, you will see something like Delete Your Backup, and right next to it, there's a button like this that says Delete Backup. Do click on this in case you want to delete your backup from Dropbox, and give my confirmation, Delete Drive. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete a backup in Dropbox application. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.